Hi everyone, so this one is for all of you that have column radiators. You know the sort I mean, that go up the wall vertically. Do you find that you've got a lot of cold spots on it? It's either cold at the bottom or it's hot at the top or just one side, and you've tried system balancing and all this type of thing and trying to force more heat through there, but exactly the same thing happens. There's no air in there and everything should be working, but they're not quite working as they should. Well, I've come across a good device. It's been out a couple of years now. A friend of mine fitted one. It made a hell of a difference to his column radiators, and it's what's called a valve diverter. Let me show you the sort of thing. I mean, it's specifically for these column radiators. This then is the type of thing I'm talking about. This is a flow diverter, and as you can see there, this part screws in the rad. The flow diverter goes inside to divert that flow around your column radiator. I'll show you some more pictures of it. Okay, second clip of it, as you can see where it goes in the rad there. These 4 pictures really kind of show you it going through, doesn't it? Pushing through into the column rad and screwing it up inside and putting the valve on the outside there. So nice easy job. And the schematic of it. These are made by Milano. They're about £28 a go, but I think worth every penny if you've got those column rads that are not working properly. It does seem to have a really good reviews. I'll just give you a few on there. Okay, there's just one there, and as you can see, very highly rated. There's another one down the bottom there, and it seems to work pretty well by looking at all the reviews. So worth it if you have one of these column type rads. And there's another couple of reviews right there. Still it if you want to read them. So there you go. Just something I was asked about by one of you guys out there, that he had those column radiators and they weren't working properly. He was kind of more looking into the balancing and trying to get them to work better that way on, and the fact they had no air in them, what could he do to remedy these cold spots in them? So that is well worth a go. You only need to do one, and if it works for that one and you've got others, you know that is the problem, get some more. I know they're £28, but if it's going to make the radiator work, it's well worth it. And those column rads cost a fortune anyway, don't they? Okay, that's about it though. All my stuff, you know, to go usual place. They're open for free. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.
For our videos, Derrickson 33. Thanks for watching.